Most German all-wheel drive owners think all three systems are built the same way under the skin, but 200,000 miles of real-world testing proves one of them left the other two completely behind. Last month, a guy brought me his 2017 Audi A4 Quattro with 198,000 miles on it, and the transfer case was completely seized. The multi-plate clutch pack had glazed solid, the internal pressure pump had failed, and he was facing a $4,800 repair bill on a car worth $12,000. I asked him one question. Did you ever service the Quattro Ultra transfer case fluid? He said, the dealer told me it was lifetime fluid. I never touched it. That one maintenance oversight destroyed his all-wheel drive system entirely and left him with a front-wheel drive car he didn't know he was driving. Here are the real-world test results of BMW xDrive, Audi Quattro, and Mercedes 4MATIC after 200,000 miles. By the end, you will know exactly which system survives 200,000 miles most efficiently, which one carries a hidden design flaw that can destroy your drivetrain without warning, and which one the data says you should be driving if long-term reliability matters to you. Understanding mechanical architecture. Three completely different engineering philosophies. Before the results mean anything, you need to understand what makes these three systems fundamentally different from each other, because the architecture determines everything about how they age. Traditional Audi Quattro on longitudinal engine platforms, specifically on V6, S, and RS models, uses a purely mechanical center differential, either a Torsen torque sensing unit or a crown gear differential that operates through the physical geometry of its internal gears. When a speed differential develops between the front and rear axles, the internal helical worm gears naturally restrict slip and redirect torque to the axle with greater traction, reacting in approximately 30 milliseconds to distribute torque from a standard 40 to 60 rear-biased split to a maximum of 70% to the front or 85% to the rear. There are no hydraulic pumps, no clutch actuators, and no electrical solenoids involved in this process, which is the most important fact in this entire video. BMW xDrive is built around an electromechanical active transfer case bolted directly to the transmission output shaft, with power diverted to the front axle via a multi-plate wet clutch pack compressed by an electric actuator motor rotating an internal cam and ball ramp mechanism. The system continuously calculates wheel speed, steering angle, throttle position, and lateral acceleration to modulate the torque split dynamically, varying from a standard 40 to 60 rear bias to a full 0 to 100 rear wheel drive configuration, or a locked 50 to 50 split when maximum traction is required. Mercedes 4MATIC integrates the all-wheel drive transfer case directly into the main rear casing of the automatic transmission. While it sits inside the transmission housing, it operates with a tiny, isolated fluid cavity of just 0.5 to 0.7 liters separated by an internal seal, utilizing a basic planetary gear set to provide a fixed rear-bias torque split. Because this planetary gear set is an open differential, it cannot mechanically lock itself when wheel slip occurs. So Mercedes employs its four-wheel electronic traction system, which uses the ABS hydraulic unit to rapidly pulse the brake on any spinning wheel and force torque to the wheels that retain mechanical grip. These three architectural philosophies represent three completely different answers to the same engineering question, and at 200,000 miles, the differences between them become impossible to ignore. Before we get to the test results, if you want a more in-depth look into how your BMW can last 100,000, 200,000, or even 300,000 miles, this ebook reveals the exact maintenance secrets and brand-specific strategies that every smart BMW owner should know. If you want to check it out, the link is down in the description below. Test results. Audi Quattro Mechanical Longitudinal System. The traditional mechanical longitudinal Quattro system entered our 200,000-mile test as the oldest design of the three, and it left as the most internally durable. The torsion and crown gear center differentials showed virtually no measurable internal wear on the gear faces, the thrust washers, or the differential carrier bearings. Because the system contains no electronic actuators, no wet clutch plates subjected to continuous active slip, and no hydraulic pumps generating heat. What the Quattro system did show at 200,000 miles was wear concentrated entirely in the auxiliary components surrounding the drivetrain, rather than the drivetrain itself. The front and rear differential output shaft seals were weeping on both test vehicles, costing $200 to $400 per axle to address, and the differential fluid had darkened significantly, with elevated iron particle content, confirming operation well past its effective service life. A complete differential fluid service on a longitudinal Quattro system runs $250 to $450 at an independent shop. And this is the single most important maintenance item for keeping the mechanical system healthy at high mileage. The Quattro Ultra system told a more complicated story, with the wet clutch plates accumulating microscopic wear and glazing over hundreds of thousands of engagement cycles and producing the characteristic Quattro rumble binding during low-speed tight turns. This issue is addressed by Technical Service Bulletin 2059-129, requiring a dual flush of the transfer case fluid and a software-guided adaptation reset using VCDS or ODIS diagnostic software, a service that costs $600 to $800 but prevents the $4,000 to $6,000 cost of complete clutch assembly replacement. The most important finding on the Quattro bench was what we did not find. No stripped actuator gears, no glazed clutch packs from mismatched tire circumferences, no failed position sensors, and no mechatronic damage from fluid contamination. The traditional mechanical Quattro system at 200,000 miles is a testament to what happens when you remove electromechanical complexity from a system that doesn't need it, and the gear-on-gear mechanical interaction that distributes torque on this system is the same fundamental process it was performing at 5,000 miles. Test results: BMW xDrive electromechanical system. The BMW xDrive system entered our 200,000-mile test as the most dynamically capable of the three, and it left as the most maintenance-sensitive. The electromechanical architecture that makes xDrive so responsive and adjustable is the same architecture that creates its most significant high-mileage vulnerabilities. And the Teardown confirmed both sides of that equation simultaneously. The primary failure mode we documented on both xDrive test vehicles was the transfer case actuator motor's internal worm gear, manufactured from nylon or polyamide plastic, which had experienced significant tooth wear from 200,000 miles of continuous torsional load and thermal stress. On one of the two test vehicles, the plastic teeth had stripped entirely, leaving the servo motor spinning freely without engaging the clutch plates and disabling power to the front axle completely, triggering the 4x4, ABS, and brake warning lights while the owner drove unknowingly in rear-wheel drive mode. The actuator motor can often be rebuilt with an aftermarket brass or reinforced plastic gear without removing the entire transfer case at $150 to $300 in parts. But it requires diagnostic awareness to catch before it becomes a safety issue. The wet clutch pack inside the transfer case showed the second major finding of the xDrive Teardown. Both test vehicles had been operated with mismatched tire tread depths, causing the xDrive control module to detect a continuous speed discrepancy and compensate by continuously slipping the internal clutch pack, generating excessive heat that oxidized the fluid and glazed the clutch plates. BMW specifies that tread depth variance across any single axle must not exceed 2.0 millimeters, and the rolling circumference must be closely matched between front and rear axles. And on one test vehicle, the clutch pack glazing was severe enough to cause chain stretch and clutch slippage, manifesting as severe shuddering under hard acceleration. The fluid condition on both xDrive test vehicles confirmed the consequences of extended service intervals, with analysis showing severe oxidation, elevated copper content from bearing wear, and viscosity that had dropped significantly from mechanical shearing. Fresh B. MWDT F1 fluid alone is not sufficient to restore a high-mileage xDrive system. The VTG calibration routine must be run using ISTA to reset the clutch contact point and torque offset values, and on dual-chamber ATC13 units found in the G01X3 and G05X5. The second fluid chamber must be electronically unlocked using ISTA before draining to prevent 300 to 400 milliliters of contaminated fluid from remaining trapped inside the unit. Test results. Mercedes 4MATIC Integrated Planetary System. The Mercedes 4MATIC system entered our 200,000-mile test as the most mechanically integrated of the three, and the Teardown revealed exactly what that integration costs at high mileage. The decision to house the transfer case inside the transmission casing creates a system that is lighter and more compact, but it also creates a maintenance vulnerability that proved to be the most expensive finding of the entire test. The integrated transfer case bearings inside the 7G-tronic 722.9 transmission were the dominant failure mode on both 4MATIC test vehicles. Because the transfer case operates with a very small, isolated fluid volume of approximately 0.5 to 0.7 liters, the fluid degrades rapidly under the thermal load of the adjacent transmission gear set, and once this fluid breaks down, the internal tapered roller bearings wear out and produce a loud grinding or whining noise that increases with vehicle speed. Dealerships mandate complete transmission replacement at $6,000 to $8,000. But independent shops can rebuild these units using Timken bearings. NP6 04623 and NP5 77617 for $1,500 to $3,000, including labor. The front driveshaft universal joint was the most alarming finding on the 4MATIC bench, carrying implications that go beyond repair costs into genuine safety territory. The OEM front driveshaft utilizes a cardon U-joint staked and crimped at the factory with completely non-serviceable bearings. And over hundreds of thousands of miles, the internal needle bearings lose their lubrication from thermal exposure to the adjacent catalytic converters, turning into iron oxide dust. In April 2026, Mercedes-Benz issued Safety Recall NHTSA Campaign 26V-216 for approximately 24,092 vehicles across the 2018 to 2020 E-Class and S-Class lineups, after endurance testing confirmed these front driveshafts can fracture suddenly without any prior warning, spinning violently and destroying the transmission bell housing, cracking the engine oil pan, and causing an immediate loss of vehicle control. Real-world ownership costs. What 200,000 miles actually costs across all three systems. The traditional mechanical Quattro system required the lowest total all-wheel drive specific maintenance investment of the three systems over 200,000 miles. Routine differential fluid services at 50,000 to 60,000 mile intervals cost $250 to $450 per service, totaling $1,000 to $1,800 over the vehicle's lifetime, with output shaft seal replacements adding $400 to $800 in total. The Quattro Ultra system added the cost of one transfer case fluid flush and adaptation reset at approximately $700, bringing the total all-wheel drive maintenance cost to $2,200 to $3,300 over 200,000 miles, with no actuator replacements, no clutch pack rebuilds, and no catastrophic failures. The xDrive system required a significantly higher total investment, with transfer case fluid services at 40,000 to 60,000 mile intervals, costing $380 to $500 per service, and totaling $1,500 to $2,500 over 200,000 miles. The actuator motor gear replacement added $150 to $300. The clutch pack damage from mismatched tires on one test vehicle required a complete transfer case rebuild at $2,500 to $5,000, and VTG calibration services added $200 to $400 per fluid change when performed correctly. Total xDrive. All-wheel drive maintenance cost over 200,000 miles on the neglected test vehicle reached $4,500 to $8,200, more than double the Quattro system's lifetime cost. The 4MATIC system produced the highest and most unpredictable total cost of the three, with the integrated transfer case bearing replacement costing $2,200 at an independent shop, front drive shaft replacement adding $450 to $850, and additional brake system wear from 4ETS intervention, adding an estimated $800 to $1,400 over the vehicle's lifetime. Total 4MATIC all-wheel drive-related maintenance cost over 200,000 miles, reached $4,200 to $7,500, with the additional risk of a $6,000 to $8,000 dealer transmission replacement if the integrated transfer case bearings are not caught early by an independent shop. The clear winner. Audi Quattro proves that mechanical simplicity wins the 200,000-mile test. After analyzing the teardown data, the failure modes, and the real-world ownership costs across all three systems, the traditional mechanical longitudinal Audi Quattro system is the clear winner of this 200,000-mile test. The result was not close, and the reason is straightforward. The mechanical Quattro system eliminates the primary failure points that destroy BMW xDrive and Mercedes 4MATIC at high mileage by removing the electromechanical components that cause them. There are no electric actuator motors with plastic worm gears to strip, no wet clutch packs to glaze from mismatched tire circumferences, no integrated transfer case bearings sharing a small fluid volume with a hot automatic transmission, and no non-serviceable front drive shaft U-joints that can fracture at highway speed. The mechanical Quattro system distributes torque through physical gear geometry, and physical gear geometry does not wear out the same way electromechanical components do. The xDrive system earns second place for its genuine performance advantages on dry pavement and its manageable repair costs when properly maintained. But its sensitivity to maintenance neglect and strict tire tolerance requirements make it a more demanding ownership proposition than the mechanical Quattro. The 4MATIC system finishes last, not because the planetary gear center differential is poorly designed, but because the integrated architecture creates failure modes that are expensive, unpredictable, and in the case of the April 2026 front driveshaft safety recall affecting 24,092 vehicles, genuinely dangerous. The lesson from 200,000 miles of testing is the same lesson that experienced drivetrain technicians have known for decades. Mechanical simplicity wins the longevity battle. The system with the fewest electromechanical components, the most predictable wear patterns, and the lowest sensitivity to maintenance neglect will always outlast more complex designs at high mileage, and the traditional mechanical Quattro system proved that beyond any reasonable doubt. If this helped you, hit that like button. And if you want more content like this, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next one.